Story of Thukpa, not Thupka. Today, Macleod is pretty cold, a perfect weather for Thukpa. As Christmas is near, the holiday season is on. Tourists are flooding in, making Macleod more crowded, leaving no space even for the local street dogs. She just came to agree with what I just said. Let's get back to Thukpa. I found this little local cafe called Cafe, which means son of snow, referring to Tibetans. It's packed, and there is no doubt that I came to the right place. You will see a huge photo of Potala Palace, symbolizing their longing for their homeland. The cafe serves local food such as thukpa, momo, etc. Finally, I ordered my thukpa. Thukpa is a popular noodle soup that originates from Tibet. It is also prevalent in various Himalayan regions and neighboring countries like Nepal, Bhutan, and parts of India. This dish is known for its hearty and comforting nature, especially in colder climates. Thukpa typically consists of boiled noodles, various vegetables, and meats. Wait, my friend child Bobo joined me. The preparation involves cooking the noodles separately and then combining them with the broth and mix of vegetables and protein. It means that it's more than just a meal. So mind that it is thukpa and not thupka. I'm done and it is good. Now I feel warm and full.